Hi, I'm Tori. I'm the general manager here at West End Wine Bar and Pub. We're actually on the westernmost point of Percival, Virginia. House is about 100 years old. It's been various different things in its life, but it has been the West End Wine Bar and Pub now for about 9 years. The Trex Signature Deck has been absolutely amazing. Before our current Trex deck, we had an original stone patio. It was very lumpy and bumpy. Everybody has fallen on the old stone patio more than once. So we did have some issues with that, and that's ultimately why we were looking to move up and move on from the patio. Trex Signature line, it really helps us carry on this authenticity of old, vintage, beautiful charm. We just wanted something that would flow really nicely with the elegance that we already had here in the building. Outdoor dining, it's huge, especially nowadays. We realize that people don't want to go out anymore just for a bite to eat. They want to go out for a cool experience in a cool place. Life at the wine bar has gotten so much better since we've opened this space up. We have beautiful fans, we have vents, we can open them, close them, we can change the lighting. Now we get a cool, awesome space we can use 3 to 4 seasons out of the year, and now everybody seems to thoroughly enjoy this space. There's just something different about dining outside. Trex Signature Deck is great because the wood grain looks very authentic. The material itself is easy to clean, it's stain resistant, it doesn't really have a lot of maintenance. For example, we're a wine bar, we have ketchup and red wine spilled every single day. It would absolutely stain if it were real wood. Because we have the Trex Signature Deck, we don't have that problem whatsoever. We just wipe it up and it's good to go. I mean, we couldn't have asked for a better material. We have a 50-year warranty, it's basically lifetime guaranteed, so we put it in, now we don't have to think about it, and it just helps us do service every day. And honestly, we're just so excited for the years to come and the years that we get to utilize it.